You machining intelligently? Introducing enhanced, chatter-free, solid carbide end mills. In today's dynamic machining landscape, precision, efficiency, and adaptability are critical. ISCAR is thrilled to announce the expansion of the chatter-free, solid carbide end mills line, specifically designed for high removal rate machining of titanium. The line now includes end mills with a 1-inch diameter and a variety of corner radii options, broadening its applicability. Unique geometries. The advanced geometrical designs optimize cutting performance by reducing chatter and enhancing stability, ideal for high-demand applications. Chatter-free technology. These end mills excel in high removal rate machining, particularly suited for up to 2xD full slotting in titanium, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. 4-flute design, featuring a 4-flute configuration with varying helix angles and variable pitch. This design minimizes vibrations and achieves superior surface finishes, enhancing tool life and productivity. Variety of corner radii. The line includes a wide range of corner radii, offering greater flexibility in tool selection to meet diverse machining needs. The introduction of a 1-inch diameter expands the chatter-free line's applicability across a broader spectrum of tasks, enhancing ISCAR's market presence and enabling customers to tackle complex projects with confidence. Whether in aerospace, automotive, or other high-tech industries, the expanded line meets the rigorous demands of modern manufacturing. By offering a wider range of diameters and corner radii, ISCAR continues to deliver solutions that meet the evolving needs of its customers, providing unparalleled performance and versatility in titanium machining.